In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your music for artist tab on TikTok using Distrokid. If you've been searching for a simple unlink button inside Distrokid, here's the key thing to understand up front. TikTok's artist tab is managed by TikTok's own music database. Distributors like Distrokid don't have a real-time switch to alter what appears there. That's why you won't see a direct toggle to detach a specific track from your artist tab. Instead, the reliable way to remove a song from that tab is to take it down from TikTok entirely. Here's how to do that using Distrokid's support system. First, log into Distrokid support. You'll be using their support portal rather than looking for a setting on the main release page. Once you're in the support area, submit a request using the Distrokid contact form. When the form asks what you need help with, choose the option that indicates you want to remove a release or request a takedown. This is the official path Distrokid provides for getting a song pulled from platforms, including TikTok. After you submit that request, here's what happens behind the scenes. Distrokid will process your takedown and pass it to TikTok. Once TikTok completes the removal, your track disappears from the TikTok music library. As a result, it no longer shows up on your artist tab, and it will also be removed from the associated sound page on TikTok. Keep in mind this does involve processing time. It's normal for the change not to appear instantly while TikTok updates their database and clears any cached references. A quick note on expectations. This method removes the song from TikTok as a whole, not just from the artist tab. That means users won't be able to select that audio from the library going forward. If your priority is simply to stop the track from being tied to your artist tab, a takedown is the fastest and most dependable route, but it is comprehensive. Take a moment to be sure that full removal from TikTok aligns with your goals for the release. If you followed these steps, logging into Distrokid support, submitting the contact form, and selecting remove release or takedown, you've done everything needed on your end. From there, it's a matter of waiting for the processing to complete. Once it does, you should see the track disappear from your TikTok artist tab and its sound page. That's the cleanest way to unlink your music from the artist tab using Distrokid today.